Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to make an appointment at Social Security office. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred web browser. Over here, you can use any browser like Google Chrome. After that, search for Social Security Office appointment and open the official ssa.gov website. Then you will see the Social Security homepage. Over here, scroll down and click on the Contact Us or Find an Office option. After that, enter your zip code to locate your nearest office. Then you will see the contact information for that office. After that, call the provided phone number to speak with a representative. Over here, request an appointment and provide the necessary information they ask for. Then confirm the appointment details including date, time and location. So that's basically how you can make an appointment at Social Security office. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.